We are live on the app. Okay, let's get started with this. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash, and this is I am a live stream host over here, which I talk about everything related to the crypto world. I'm here personally for all of you people, my Zbit people who are like have already opened an account, and also for those people who are searching for one of those best beginner friendly crypto exchange platforms which they have not yet found, with which they can start their crypto journey, and that too with the most smooth and most profitable days which they can see, which is in front of them only and only if you come at cbit.com. Now, for the YouTube people who don't know anything regarding what this live stream is about, and they haven't joined Zbit till now, and they don't even know what Zbit is and every of those things. So for all those people, I'm going live on YouTube, and I'm going live on X platform, and I'm also going live in my own app, like the Zbit app. Okay. So for the YouTube and X people, I want to tell you something that Zbit is a crypto exchange platform, the one of the best beginner friendly crypto exchange platform which can help you start your crypto journey in the most smoothest way the possible. There are so many rewards, there are so many features which you don't know and which you can take help with the zbit.com and earn a lot of good amount of mystery prizes. Also your, like every time there will be a support from our side, and the features will ensure that you are having double, triple, four times, five times of your profit. Now, what is that rewards? What Zbit is offering to you all people? Let's talk about it. Just a second, let me just open it. I go on a sign up. Okay. So this is what a sign up looks like at zbit.com. Can you see zbit.com? This is market, trade, reward, about us. And this is kind of like a sign up page for all of you people. Okay. Let's tilt it. So this is a sign up page of zbit.com. Now zbit.com offers you two rewards actually, and one feature. That one feature is better. Like I will explain you what is that feature. I will explain you the two rewards as well, everything. But first thing, there are some few steps which you need to do. And are these steps a very huge steps? No. The most simplest steps, the most simplest step, with which you don't even have to pay any amount of money to it. There is no money charging or anything. It's completely free of cost, whatever I'm going to talk from right now. Okay, so the first step is obviously you have to create account again, which is completely free, because some of the Indian people, they think like, see, opening a Zerodha account or opening any stock account used to take some money, like you have to pay money to open account and blah 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 and stuff in the stock. But this is a crypto market. Okay, this is different than a stock market. In here, you don't have to pay money in any. If you have to open an account or anything, you don't have to pay any. Opening account is the most simplest thing you can ever. There are just three details you have to fill. Actually two. One is, you will be creating something. Okay, so what are those details? First, if you want to open an account, you can simply come to this platform over here, click on the create account, your country code, select wherever you are from. You're from Nigeria, you're from US, you're from UK, you're from Australia, India, XYZ, 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 XYZ. Wherever you are from, you just pick your country code and then put your email address which you want to be associated with the crypto platform. And after that, make your password. That's all it will take to open an account at zbit.com. The most simplest process you can ever feel. That's the first step. Now, after the first step, because we believe this in one thing, that taking the first step is the most important step which you will be taking in the crypto journey, the most important. Okay, now this most important step is what? Is making your first step toward the crypto journey, your successful crypto journey, to be very precise. Okay, now for that, we are giving you, once a people opens an account, we are giving them the first reward, which is like it should have been like end goal reward, but we are giving that thing in the starting itself. Now that reward is a free crypto token, a free, completely free of course. You don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, and again, like I said, the whole process until the from the start till the end won't be asking any money from your side for any reward, any features, or anything which Zbit is providing to you. Okay. Now, so, like I said, you will first reward which you'll be getting is a free crypto asset, that is token. And which token you will be getting? Now, it's a mystery. Can you see over here? Like I will show you. There is a third slide. Okay, yeah. Can you see this third slide? It's a lucky spin over here. You can just tap on the spin. In that spin, you might get any meme coin, you might get any stable coin of like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you might get altcoin, which is like Solana XRP. Okay, most of the time people get meme coin, but there is a high chances that you are that lucky one who might get who might end up in getting maybe the altcoins, maybe Solana, maybe XRP, or if you are the most luckiest person on the world, you might get the Bitcoin or Ethereum in your hand. So there is always a luck, always a chance, always a luck. So if you think that you are a lucky, your luck always works in your favor, so this is actually best way to find out. Tap on that spin and get your first crypto token completely free of cost. Okay, they every token has XYZ amount of quantity. Obviously, we are not giving you one, two, three kind of stuff. If it's a stable coin like Bitcoin and Ethereum, we'll be giving you like quantity less, like 0 point something, but still worth of like 1,000 to 1,000 kind of stuff. Okay, now other thing, this is the first reward which you got, that is a crypto token, first ever asset, the first crypto asset which you'll be owning. And that to completely free of cost. That's just for what? Just for putting three details: your country code, your email address, and password. That's all. Three details, and you got your first ever crypto asset in your wallet. But is it ready to use right now? No. There are more few steps which you have to complete to use that thing. Either you can exchange it, either you can convert it into USDT, either you can trade it, you can sell it, you can do whatever. It depends on you. Or even if you want to hold it for a longer period of a time so that your value will increase more, your profit will increase more, you can do that as well. You are the owner of that crypto token. Okay, now second thing which you need to do is step is KYC. Obviously, every financial platform, I'm talking about every single financial platform, ask one very specific thing, that you need to You need to have like we need to know our customer. That's basically KYC, know your customer. So you need to verify yourself, you're a genuine person, you are not a scammer, you are not this, you are actually coming here to start your crypto journey, a successful crypto journey. And the KYC takes a very simple time. You just have to provide some identification proof of XYZ of whatsoever country you are and blah 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 stuff. Now, other thing, once the KYC is done, then comes the deposit. Now, people think that like deposit is like I am asking you money from my side or we are asking you money from your side. No. How do you trade in stock market? Because people, most of the people know stock market, they are having a very less clue about the crypto market, how the crypto market works. Very less people of India are interested toward the crypto, and which I don't blame you, I blame the government, because they are not being very friendly toward the crypto trading. Okay, and I get it. After this, like I said to you all people, like this, what I was talking about, yeah, the crypto trading. Now a lot of people think like the deposit means asking you the money. No, that's not the case. Deposit is actually that you are providing funds to yourself. Okay, deposit is a capital account, like everybody has their own bank account. In crypto wallet or in the crypto, when you do the crypto trading, your bank account cannot be directly attached, because your bank account is having what, it is having the normal traditional money, but we deal with a digital money over here. So for digital money you need to have a wallet, you need to have xyz amount of wallet, and in that wallet you have to deposit xyz like USDT, like maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatsoever you feel. You feel okay, if you feel that I am ready to deposit 10, you deposit 10. If you 10 is like basic, like you start 10 is like almost 900 to 1000 INR of the Indian money. You can start your crypto journey with just 1000, and or 1900, something in between, like it comes like the rate exchange changes ups and downs, so it maybe sometimes it's 100 or sometimes it's 900, sometimes it's 1000. In that range you will be receiving your per 10 USDT, which is like okay amount to start your crypto journey. So you can start your crypto journey by adding 1000 INR worth of investment, and that is your money. You have the whole authority, you have the whole control over it. You can take that money, like basically that is your capital amount. From that you will be taking the trades. It is nothing, there is no cost of the opening account, there is no cost of the crypto asset I gave you, nothing. It's just a deposit for, so that you can start doing a trades, you can take a trades. Got it? Good. After doing a deposit you need to take a first trade. Now that comes the second thing. I know this one very fact, that people are afraid of taking the first anything, like first step, first trade, first life, first walk, and blah 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 scenario. Now, in this scenario, Zbit is offering one very limited slot offer. Very limited. It's not like it's gonna be for forever and ever and ever. This is a very limited period slot reward, which is there for every new user. For the existing people, you have like, for those who have opened an account like maybe 1 to 2 months ago, they didn't receive it, because this is right now we have started a limited period reward. This is talking about the first trade we are offering, because we get some like we can understand the audience. The taking the first trade feels very confusing, because first of all you need to be get like used to the app, you need to get used to of trading in the crypto, you need to know how the market in the crypto was, because it's very different from stock market. The volatility in the crypto market is so high than the stock market. For example, in the stock market, if you take a same trade and you take the same trade in the crypto market, in stock market the movement of the market might have been gone up by like what, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, but at the same moment you can see in the crypto market it must be like 5%, 6%, 10, 20. That kind of movement we can watch in the crypto market. Okay, volatility, the movement, what is volatility? Basically the momentum, like price going up and price falling or price going up, this is very high. Like it can go up by the 10, 20, 30%, or it can fall also by 10, 20, 30% in crypto market. But in the stock market, 10, 20 is like a breakout, like huge. Oh my god, there's so much selling came, so much buying came. That's the very like once in a blue moon scenario in the stock market. Okay, but in crypto market it's not a once in a blue. It's like you can consider it's an everyday, so that you have an everyday chance to have a very huge profit which you can take from the crypto market. Got it? Okay. So the first trade, like I was talking about, the reward. First trade like on future. Okay, as you can see on this, can you see there are two things? One is a future market and one is a spot market, right? We don't give you option for option market. We are giving you just two assets, which is either you can do the spot trading or either you can do the future trading. That's the two option we are providing to you already. Now that first, I will show you the slide as well. One second, it will come. This is not the one. Yeah, try future trading, limited free, limited time free. Okay, try future trading. Now you need to try it, because most of the people, they are aware of this, the basic spot trading, like I bought it and then I sold it, I bought it and then I sold it. They don't know the concept of future trading, what does future trading holds, how the future trading is making more money than the spot trading and every of those things. They don't know about it. So it's totally fine, because we can understand your issues, we can understand your problem, and we came up with the one of the best solution, which is a limited period of time. We are providing for all the news, and for that, see, I'm not saying that you have to do deposit for that and every other thing. You don't. You take the first free trade, and even after that you do a deposit, that's totally fine for us. That's totally completely fine for us. Okay, you don't have to do deposit before taking the first free trade. It's not such, there are no such rules, there are no such regulations. Okay, you can deposit after taking the first free trade as well, so that you will like, you might feel like you took the deposit first and then we are taking a trading, that must be our money. No, if you don't want to deposit before that, before taking the first trade, that is also totally fine. First trade is free, completely free. Now, what does completely free means? Completely free means that we are the one who will be providing you fundings. Funding up to what? Obviously, there will be a limit. We can't just provide like, huh, have 10,000 or 20,000. We cannot provide that amount of money for completely free of cost. Okay, so we are giving you 10 USDT worth of first trade. First trade, which is worth 10 USDT. Got it? 10 USDT worth of first free trade, and that is only and only applicable to the future trading, no spot trading. Okay, this is not applicable for spot trading. Okay, so because sometimes people have this random, one second. So because sometimes people randomly have question like, I couldn't find it, I can't trade, and blah blah blah. So that's why I'm telling you, I'm being very specific that what are the like rules, regulations of this trade. First, free trade in only and only in the future trade, only in future trade. Understood? Second thing, that this trade is giving you, like, we are providing you the funding of 10 USDT in for that trade. And this is a one-time trade, only and only one-time trade. Like, consider it as an OTP, like it's a one-time password thing. You will take the first trade and that's it. The second trade, you have to deposit and take the trade, because we are just giving you the first experience. And that's what matters. First experience matters the most. So we are giving you a free first experience in doing, in knowing how to do future trading, how you can do it. Once you practically do it, and then only you are gaining the most like practical knowledge, practical thing about the experience of the future trading, and what it means, how the movement can be, what the market does, and every of those things. Got it? So first free trade, only in futures, 10 USDT is your investment, which we are providing you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to deposit. That's our money. Got it? Now, what about the profit sharing? What about the loss? What about the 10 USDT and every of those things? See, that 10 USDT is not the actual real money. It's somewhere in between existence and non-existence. That is called as bonus amount. We are providing you a bonus amount. Okay, and that, like I said to you, it's a one time thing. Sometime I have seen a lot of people have used it, like, see, we give you 10 USDT. Now some of the people have used 5 before, and then they thought like, I'll use the rest of the 5 later for the next trade. It won't work. It doesn't work like that. Okay, we are giving you one time thing. So that means see, we you have your what you can say, you have your, what you can say, you have your own decision. Like, huh, you have your own decision. If you want to go for like complete 10, you want to go for one, you want to go for $2 investment, $3, $4, five, six, seven, eight, nine, or complete 10. That's up to you. But what I will advise is that use that complete 10 at one time, because that rest of amount, for example, you invested five, that rest five is gonna vanish. It's not gonna come there. It's not gonna be visible there for the next trade. It will go away. So rather than, and as I said to you, like it's a first free trade, free, and you don't have to do anything for it. You don't have to care about the losses. You don't have to care about the anything. So just use the complete 10. You can pick your own leverage according to whatsoever you feel like. I should go for this. I should go for XYZ leverage. You can go for this. And once you see you got your 10 USDT and you used your complete 10 USDT, because that's what I advise to all of the people, that completely use that whole 10 USDT at one go, because that rest amount is not going to come back. So if it's not going to come back, then just use it. Just use completely everything. Now, what about profit and what about loss? Just example, like market is going in a downtrend. Okay, market is falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down, and you thought about like market is falling down, let's go for sell. Let's go for sell and we can earn more money. You picked your leverage, you picked your whatsoever, every of those things, you picked your entry price, entry level, where you want to enter, and you fixed your take profit as well. Everything you have fixed. You entered in the market, market is going for sell, 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 sell. The more from your entry point the price will fall down, you can see what amount of profit you are gaining. Maybe $1, $2, three, four, five, six, seven, whatsoever profit you are gaining. Now that profit is completely your profit. We don't want any of your profit. Okay, we don't ask anything from our customers, we don't ask anything from our audience. Okay, so it's completely your profit, whatsoever it is, either it's 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, xyz amount. Whatever profit you might be earning from that, it's completely your, and that profit will be deposited into your wallet, which you can see visible. Okay, but what about that 10 USDT? That 10 USDT will come back? No, that 10 USDT is gonna vanish, poof, in the air. So what you need to do is that whatsoever, hello मयूर, भाई मेरे पैसे विड्रॉल नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, आई कैन हेल्प यू विद दिस. आप कौन सा विड्रॉल करने का ट्राई कर रहे हो? वो बोनस नहीं कर रहे हो, राइट? अपना खुद का डिपॉजिट या अपना खुद का प्रॉफिट विड्रॉल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? मैं कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि उस सवाल से है ना आपका सॉल्यूशन निकल जाएगा. आप विड्रॉ क्या करना चाहते हो? अपना डिपॉजिट, प्रॉफिट, या फिर वो जो आपने को मतलब फर्स्ट रेट पे जो एक 10 यूएसडी बोनस मिलता है, या वो क्या विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो मयूर? हाँ, हाँ, मतलब हाँ, क्या कुछ एक वर्ड बता दो. प्रॉफिट कर रहे हो, डिपॉजिट कर रहे हो, या फिर वो 10 यूएसडी का बोनस कर रहे हो? विड्रॉ क्या करना चाहते हो? इन तीनों में से क्या विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो? प्रॉफिट. गुड. ओके, अभी विड्रॉ आपको कौन सी करेंसी में चाहिए? यूएसडीटी में चाहिए? आप यूएसडीटी विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो? विड्रॉल के वहां पे एक ऑप्शन होगा कि मेरे को किस करेंसी में विड्रॉ चाहिए, उसमें आप यूएसडीटी सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो. Welcome other users as well. Welcome on the live stream of Zbit platform. Thanks so much for joining in. But मयूर, प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी बता दो कि मयूर, इंडिया, इंडिया ठीक है. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि विड्रॉ में आईएनआर ऑप्शन नहीं है. विड्रॉ में ऑप्शन है यूएसडीटी, ट्रॉन और बाकी सारे बिटकॉइन. मैं दिखाता हूँ. मैं एक सेकंड में फट से लॉग इन कर लेता हूँ, जल्दी से लॉग इन कर लेता हूँ. आप विड्रॉ कौन से करेंसी में कर रहे हो? क्योंकि हमारे पास जो प्लेटफॉर्म है विड्रॉल्स है वो यूएसडीटी एंड आईएनआर. आईएनआर, एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड में, एक सेकंड, जस्ट 1 मिनट. मैं अपने अकाउंट में जल्दी से लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ और मैं एक चीज दिखा रहा हूँ. मेरे को वो चीज दिखा रहा है. यूएसडीटी, हाँ, मैं वही बोल रहा था. यूएसडीटी विड्रॉ कर रहे हो. अब कितना अमाउंट कर रहे हो यूएसडीटी विड्रॉ? कितना अमाउंट आपने विड्रॉ करने के लिए अप्लाई किया है, कितना अमाउंट है? मयूर, आप कितना अमाउंट विड्रॉ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? विड्रॉल अमाउंट क्या है आपका? 900 यूएसडीटी? मैं यूएसडीटी पूछ रहा हूँ, विड्रॉल यूएसडीटी में आप कितना कर रहे हो? यूएसडीटी में 900 यूएसडीटी है कि 900 आईएनआर है? क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे मैं जाऊँ स्पॉट में, तो ये हो गया मेरा विड्रॉल, ये मेरा क्रिप्टो विड्रॉल, और यहाँ पे मैंने करेंसी यूएसडीटी, यूएसडीटी सिलेक्ट किया, फिर ये इथेरियम मैंने अपने ब्लॉकचेन सेट किया, एड्रेस डाला। अब ये जो विड्रॉल अमाउंट है, ये वाला विड्रॉल अमाउंट यूएसडीटी का, वो कितना है? यूएसडीटी का विड्रॉल अमाउंट 450 है। पांच, पांच, पांच विड्रॉ करने का ट्राई कर रहे हो? 5 यूएसडीटी, राइट? 900 INR, which is approximately 900, तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली नौ, नहीं, हाँ, 8-9 के आसपास आएगा वो यूएसडीटी का। आई आप आईएनआर में मत बताओ ना मेरे को, क्योंकि आईएनआर में यहाँ पे लिखना भी नहीं है आपको, बस यहाँ पे ना अपना यूएसडीटी का अमाउंट लिखने का है। आपके पास वॉलेट में कितना यूएसडीटी है? 10 होगा, 20 होगा, 30 होगा, 50 होगा? आप उसमें से कितना विड्रॉ कर रहे हो मेरे को, वो नंबर बताओ आईएनआर, क्योंकि आपके यहाँ पे वॉलेट में, जैसे यहाँ पे ये मेरा वॉलेट है, ठीक है? अभी यहाँ पे ये यूएसडीटी में लिखा हुआ है ना, 7, 6, 5, 10, तो इसमें से आप कितना यूएसडीटी विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं वो बताओ, आईएनआर मत बताओ मेरे को। आईएनआर का हिसाब वो बाद में होगा जब आपका यूएसडीटी से कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। आपका ये अवेलेबल यूएसडीटी में है, तो इस अवेलेबल में से कितना यूएसडीटी आप निकाल रहे हो ये बताओ। आईएनआर मत बताओ, डोंट टेल मी आईएनआर, मेरे को बताओ कि इस यूएसडीटी में से कितना कर रहे हो, कितना यूएसडीटी? 8 यूएसडीटी कर रहे हो, ठीक? क्योंकि मिनिमम 4 था, तो मतलब मेरे को लगा कि आप 3-2 कर रहे हो, तो शायद तक उसके लिए विड्रॉ नहीं हो रहा है। अब विड्रॉ के जब आप 8 अमाउंट लिखते हो उस पे, तो उस पे क्या लिख के आ रहा है कि मतलब क्यों विड्रॉ, मतलब कोई रीजन दे रहा है या फिर विड्रॉ ही नहीं हो रहा है? कोई एक एरर बटन बता रहा है वो, कि कोई कोई रीजन दिया है आपने कि ये क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है विड्रॉ, या ऐसा कुछ? कोई रीजन दिया हो तो प्लीज उसको एक बार बता देना। अगर कोई रीजन नहीं है, सिंपली जस्ट विड्रॉ ही नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो ये जो एक यूआईडी नंबर होता है, हर हर और आपका एक यूनिक यूआईडी नंबर होगा, ये यहाँ पे एग्जिबिट का लोगो है, उस लोगो के नीचे यूआईडी होगा, ये यहाँ पे कॉपी करके ना, नेक्स्ट का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है, नेक्स्ट का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है? तो ये यूआईडी, ये यूआईडी सबका यूनिक यूआईडी नंबर होता है, ये कॉपी करके ना कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर दो, तो फिर मैं ये आगे कस्टमर सर्विस तक पहुंचा देता हूँ कि आपको एक ऐसा इशू आ रहा है जिसमें नेक्स्ट का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है। आपने अमाउंट डाल दिया 8 यूएस, आप पक्का 8 डाल रहे हो ना? 8 यूएसडी कर रहे हो, क्योंकि मिनिमम 4 है। 4 के नीचे अगर आप 1, 2 या 3 विड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करते हो यूएसडी, तो वो नहीं होता है, क्योंकि मिनिमम ही 4 है। तो अगर 4 के ऊपर कर रहे हो तो यस, विड्रॉल मतलब अमाउंट बराबर है जो आपने विड्रॉल अमाउंट डाला है। ये एक बार मेरे को ये यूआईडी भेज दो आप, यूआईडी, ये वाली यूआईडी जो होती है, सबका यूनिक होता है यूआईडी, इसको ऐसा कॉपी करके कमेंट सेक्शन में पेस्ट कर दो, मैं वो आगे फॉरवर्ड करता हूँ और उनको पता चल जाएगा, मतलब लाइक दे कैन हेल्प यू सॉल्व योर क्वेरी कि जो भी आपका दिक्कत हो रही है, ऐप में दिक्कत है या फिर थोड़ा मे बी ग्लीच होगा ऐप में, अगर आप स्टार्ट रिस्टार्ट कर दो आप वापस से, तो वो आ जाएगा। एक बार यूआईडी भेज दो पर मेरे को फिर भी, तो मैं आगे उसको फॉरवर्ड कर दूँ। 8 USDT विड्रॉ करने का ट्राई कर रहे हो पर नहीं हो रहा है। ठीक है। Hello, user 625872. Welcome, welcome on the live stream. Just give me one moment. Yes. Yes. How can I make profit? You can make profit by doing trading, and that too with me. You can come on this live stream by 12 to 4. I always do the live trading. I give you trades as well, on the live trades, maybe for Ethereum, Solana, XYZ, or whatever. So, if you feel like you want to do it some other coin, I can help you with that as well. So you can and start trading as a beginner. Okay. If you want to start trading as a beginner, I will show you one thing. Okay. See, go on the YouTube. This is YouTube. One second. Okay. And then search for CHEEZEEBIT. This is our platform only. Okay. This is not someone else's platform. This is our platform. Okay. Click on the cheesy bit and then go for this account. Can you see this logo? This is the logo you have to find. This is the logo. Cheesy bit, somewhere around 400 subscriber we have. Click on this. You can clearly see the same me talking about cryptocurrency. This was the channel which we made for like beginners to understand, to learn, and to teach trading. So you can go on the live section of the platform, not on the videos, not on the shorts, live. Click on the live section. You will see all the lives, and you have to go scroll complete down, and from there you can have a complete beginner guide from legit. Like if you, like I have made my content that easy. Like if you don't know anything regarding trading, like you are completely at a zero and you don't know anything, like what is crypto, what is trading, what is this, what is that, I've started from that level. Okay, let me just, one second, coming down. Okay, somewhere. Yeah, going to start. My first video is candlestick trading 101, and making you understand from the most beginner what are candlesticks, what are this, what are these bars, how to trade in those, how to identify those, how to read those. Okay. Arey yaar, what I did. Okay. How to read those, every of those things from the most basic have started. From here you can start your learning journey, because this is from level 0. And from, if you go, then I said about the candlestick trading again. Then there are, because there are types of candlesticks, so it takes a lot of videos to make. How to trade in it, master double candle, how to spot, and how to trade like a pro, everything. From here you can start the complete learning journey of yours, like everything. I have also talked about the chart patterns, how to identify chart patterns, how to trade in those chart patterns, how to earn a lot of very good amount of bullish rectangle chart, but you can see, 1 second. See, I have talked about every of the things, bullish rectangle chart pattern, how to trade on it, and every of those things in the market a lot. Like completely learning journey, complete learning journey. You can start from this channel, which is our channel only. Okay, this is our channel. It's like we started with the cheesy bit. I made the complete course over here for that you can learn trading with me. And then after that, we shifted to the Zbit so that I can give you live trades because Zbit was our crypto exchange platform. Zbit, cheesy bit we opened for just giving and knowledge regarding trading to all of the beginners. So you can completely go over here and learn the trading. Okay. Can you tell me more about meme coin and how to trade it? I will tell you. How to trade is basically you need to understand what's happening over here, that you need to make such kind of zones, like so that you can know okay, like supply zone, so that you know like from here the market will fall. You need to have a demand zone so that you know okay, like from there the market will rise. Every of those things you need to know. So first thing, if you want to trade, you want to learn trading, then you need to understand what is this, like all the chart, what is this chart saying, because that's the only thing we see. We have only applicable, we only can see chart on the trading. If we understand this chart, then and then only we take a trade and every of those things. Okay. And meme coin, I will not suggest you to go for meme coin trading, because meme coin trading is like very risky, because they are not stable. They can eat your money like this. So compared to meme coin, there are more such coins like hype coin, like other coins, which is in the most starting initial stage, not a meme coin but a cryptocurrency, which can grow further, which can give you a lot good amount of profit as well. Meme coin, try to avoid meme coin as much possible, because they don't have any fundamentals of the trading. They are meme, they're just made for fun. Okay. So if you want to learn the trading, this is the platform. It is called as Cheesy Bit, our platform itself. Okay, this is the logo of the Cheesy Bit. This is how the channel will look like. Go on the live session. Live. This is live. On that, scroll the complete down, and from there start. From the start toward the up. I have talked about indicators, chart pattern, candlestick pattern, how to understand market structure, how to understand. There are so many concepts. I have also talked about like SMCs, like ORB structure, or other structure. I have also talked about those. Okay, so it is like a complete guide for all of you people. Got it? So that's where you can learn trading. Okay, good. Please, can you teach me how to read the chart? That's why I'm saying you can go on this platform from the live, from the most ending. I've talked about it already. Because if I started reading a chart is not like it can end in 5 minutes. Do you know what reading a chart is not like it can end in 5 minutes? Do you know what do you need? How many things you need for understanding? Wait. How to read chart includes so many things. I will tell you. How to read chart includes what stuffs, and I will tell you that, and I will tell you why it is not easy to talk in this one live stream. It will require so many live stream, and it will require your patience as well, that you are connecting, you are staying here for 4 to 5 hours on completely on this live stream learning. It will first will take is a candle stick patterns. Now candlestick pattern has three pattern in it. First is single candlesticks. Then there is double candlesticks. Then there is triple candlesticks. Triple candles. This is the one part. Okay. After that, you will have to understand. Second part comes is chart patterns. Chart patterns is basically what market is making right now. What breakouts we chart pattern helps us in making sure that this is a breakout which I have to trade. Chart pattern includes what? Chart pattern includes a reversal chart pattern, reversal chart pattern, and continuous continuous chart. Continuous chart pattern. After understanding this, then you need to understand third is market structure. Market structure includes what? Understanding uptrend, downtrend, sideways, break off structure, change of character, nah, change of character, change of character, and then you need to understand fourth thing, concepts. Concepts of what? A demand zone, B it became big. It's fine. B supply zone, C fair value gap, D uh, D becomes what? No, this liquidity. Yeah, liquidity concept is very important. Liquidity trap. So these are all the stuffs which you need to know for reading. How to read a chart includes 1, 2, 3, 4. In that 1, 2, 3, 4 comes the sub parts. Candlestick, understanding single candlestick and how to trade with it. Double candlestick, how to trade with it. Triple candlestick, how to trade with it. Chart pattern, reversal and continuous. Market structure, uptrend, downtrend. Uptrend, downtrend means higher high, higher low recognition, and sideways is just like how market consolidates. Break of structures, change of characters, concepts like demands on supplies on fair value gap, liquid trap. These are all the things is how to read a chart. So when you understand, like, it is not easy for me to explain everything in 4 hours. This is like a lessons. Like every day you have to come on this live stream and learn this. Every day I can explain single things. Like one day I can cover single candlestick, second day double, triple, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 days lessons is it. 14 days. Sometimes it can go bigger as well, because some concepts are so big. There are so many things to understand, different types of chart patterns to understand, which makes it very hard. Okay, one of the things I will tell you. Okay, can you see this chart pattern? In the chart pattern there are one reversal and there is a continuous. I will show you one thing. See, this is XRP. Now in XRP, I have already like given you this breakout. Can you see a very good breakout came in XRP over here? Almost 16 to 17% of breakout came over here. I told about this breakout weeks to weeks ago, like how this breakout is gonna come. Okay, I will show you one second. Let's go in higher time frame, day time frame. Can you see this? Descending triangle chart pattern. Descending triangle chart pattern is a continuous chart pattern. Continuous means what? Like market is falling, a chart pattern will form and market will fall again. Down to down. This is called continuous. Or it can be also up to up. Continuing. The trend is continuing. Up to up. Reversal means what? Reversal is basically market is falling down, chart pattern form over here, and from there is going up. Change of direction from down to up. These are reversals. Okay. But this one, the descending triangle chart pattern, which I spotted like almost 2 to 3 weeks ago, before this breakout, a very good breakout we saw on the XRP. Okay. This is a descending triangle chart pattern. I will show you how it looks in the Google as well. From here, how to trade with it? First, you have to spot the triangle chart pattern. If I tell you a little bit about this chart pattern, the resistance is this line. It should be falling down. It is falling down, and the support should be in a straight line. This is in a straight line. The support is a straight line. This is descending triangle. It looks like a falling triangle. Okay. In here, how to take a trade? Whenever you get the breakout, that's the point where you enter, and how much your target will be. Target will be like, see, this is the resistance line. From that, whatever distance in the first drop, that is support. How much is 18.86% market will drop? That's what it indicated. That 18.86% market will drop. How much did market drop? Well, let's go from the breakout. This is the point where it got breakout. Okay. And from here, it went down. Almost 60.33% market went down. 60.33. Okay. More than what was expected. Expected was just 18. From here, where is 18? 18 just came till here. Came till here. And I told you it will go again to the demand zone. And from that place, it again went up. So you need to understand every of those scenarios. And I can show you how descending triangle chart pattern looks like. This is how descending triangle chart pattern looks like. Exactly. Resistance will fall down, support will be at the same level, and from there we can get a good breakout. Simple. Understood? Mayur, thank you so much for being a patience. We are working on your issues. Your issues will be solved. I've already mentioned your issues. They are working on it. I can see. हो गए पैसे विड्रॉ. Ah, your problem got solved already. Okay. Okay. Good that your withdrawal is done. That's nice. Okay. So as we were discussing the rewards of, I cannot show you the rewards in the sign. Okay. So the I was talking about which reward? The future trade reward. First future trade, 10 USDT worth of trade you can get. Profit is completely yours. From that profit, understand 10 USDT gave from above that 10, whatever you gain, one, two, three, four, five, $6, that and that only dollar will get deposited in your account. That rest 10 will be gone from the whatever wallet or it was showing. From there, it will vanish, poof, in the market, gone, because that is a bonus. It is not actual real money. Now, after this, if what if you face loss, if you face loss in your first trade, that is also completely fine, because loss will be bared by us completely. It will be bared by us. You don't have to pay any, even the smallest to smallest amount for it. It will be completely our loss. Whatever xyz loss is it, we will take care of that loss. You don't have to pay anything for that loss. The only thing you should be receiving is a profit, which you can have, which you can deposit, you can sorry, which you can withdraw or trade or use whatsoever. Got it? Okay. And the last feature which we are providing is tada, this live stream. This live stream is available for completely free of cost, with which you can learn, you can know regarding market as well. I can provide you the like recent details about the market, what is happening in the market, what we can expect in the market, what can go wrong, what can go right, what kind of trade can come. I also do live trading over here, so that means providing you the trades as well. I do so many things on this live stream. I can also teach you some concepts. I can teach you concepts as well, small, because if the concept is very too big, then you have to observe my previous videos, because teaching that one thing requires you to be attentive. If I am talking about the stuff from making you teach anything and then you go away, that will make very bad. So user 846310, welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining in. My name is Yash Pawar and I'm a live stream host over here. Are you a new user, existing user, or this is the first time you're joining this live stream? Please do tell me in the comment section. And hi, good morning, have a nice day. I hope you're having a nice day. Okay, and I'm gonna give you trades. But if you haven't till now deposited an any amount for which you can take a trade, then deposit, because once I start giving you trade, you have to enter in the market for future trade. I only do the future trading. Okay, I don't do spot right over here. On the live stream, only and only future trading will happen. In that future trading, I will tell you regarding a lot of those positions, where to enter, what to take profit, and everything. Even yesterday we got a good amount of profit. I told you yesterday, like from the supply, this is a kind of supply zone. From the fair value gap, the market will fall down and it will try to reach to the demand zone, and you can clearly see the complete fall off came till where, till the demand zone. That's what happens all the time. Okay, so even today we will hope to see, like from here, if we have a good buying position, good buying spur in the market, we can aim for like 2 to 3 positions. You can clearly see there are some fair value gaps in between. We can aim for some short ones, or we can aim for the bigger one as well. We'll look at every of those possibility till where we can go for the buy situation, only and only when we can see a very good buying movement. If we don't see a good buying movement, then it can fall down more to the bigger demand zone. Okay, this was the bigger, then this was a smaller. Okay, this is small demand, this is a big demand zone. If we don't see, if we see any like big price piling up, then we can go for the entry of the buy situation over here, which will be observed. Okay, this is an observing thing. Got it? We'll observe Bitcoin. Very good. Let's go on higher time frame. Okay. 2R is here. I'm just gonna mark on level over here. Okay, this is like a fair value gap. Okay, this is a fair value gap of 2R, but I don't want to plot it. I just want to make sure that like my target lines are making. Basically, this is a fair value gap for the right side. Maybe the market can come like this and then fall again from over here. So that's why I'm making that line, so that can be my target kind of stuff. In 4R, the fair value gap is too big, like it's not even letting us. This is the candle which is going to make the fair value gap. So it's better if you can't see it, change the time frame, observe some different one. Okay, then this is this. In 1 hour, we don't have a fair value gap, but at least we have a line which can be our safe target, which we can hope to see. We'll observe some of this because I don't want to end up in, because whenever a big movement, like I have told you so many times, whenever a very big movement comes like this, market will tend to go in a sideways market. There won't be an exact after this a big movement, there won't be the buying opportunity just after that. Okay, so we'll observe the market over here. I've already drawn my target points. One is this, one is over here. This is like a fair value gap, but not for the downside, it's for upside. So let's not make this as a target. Okay, this is my target, possible target, which we can observe. And same exact thing is happening in everywhere, even in the Ethereum. If you go and check out the Ethereum, the same exact thing is happening. No, Ethereum is yet to reach the demand zone, but still from there in somewhere in the between, we have taken a small retracement in the market. After this, the small, very small retracement, we have taken the market. The true demand zone is over here. Possible this much distance is yet to achieve from there. Just because of the Bitcoin had some buying spur, we also having a buying spur. Almost 3.5% of market is yet to be fall, yet to fall. Okay, we can have some rejection in the between, because why we are having rejection, can you spot anything? I have been saying so many times, like whenever there is a small minor pullback, small rejections from the market, there are two reasons. One is a fair value gap, or they are in the some zones. Now what do we can see over here? Can we see anything over here about the rejection? What is the rejection? What is the reason of rejection? This is a fair value gap. Can you see a very big fair value gap? And exactly from that fair value gap, market is very slowly. Okay, I'm not saying that this fair value gap is very big gap and it's gonna have a very good uptrend or something like that. No, it's a very small one, and from there, a very small sentiment trading has happened. What is sentiment trading? Sentiment means like, even if, see, fair value gap concept is known by everybody. This is not a very secret knowledge which is only there available for few people. This is a like public knowledge. Everybody who knows and understands fair value gap, they know one thing, that fair value gap consists of limit orders which might get execute and which will jump, limit orders of whales, limit orders of big players. A very big huge amount will get executed, and whenever, we all know, whenever big amount get executed, we see a very good momentum in the market. We see a very good huge momentum in the market. But there is also the saying that the fair value gap, as we don't know the person who is putting that limit order, if he went in one trade, if he has two more limit order kept, yes or no, we cannot say for sure. It's just a concept. Okay, it's a concept for giving us an opportunity, like maybe a limit order is which can maybe will execute. So there are chances that there is no limit order at all in this gap as well, which creates this. What is this momentum? A very small momentum. Why do we have a very small momentum over here? Because this is just people are entering in the hope that whales are here, that whales order might get executed. So people come, like early entry, we say like, I know the market is going to go up, so I will take an early entry. This is what an early entry looks like, a very small candle with a very small body and a indecision. Now how do we spot an indecisions? Indecision are spot by, if a market is having a longer upper or longer lower wick, that means the decision is very indecision. Neither the nor the buyers know whether to put the market up, or not the seller knows if to put the market down. That results in the both side rejection. When the market goes down, buy rejects it. When the market goes up, seller rejects it, which creates such kind of candle which is making indecision, like we don't know what is going to happen the next. After this candle, when you see a very small, like small candle, that means very less people are there in the market right now, which can reverse as well, which can reverse as in a little retracement we saw, this can reject and it can pull down to the demand zone. Because like I said to you, everything, every coins are traveling from, once they travels on the supply zone, they always and always go to the demand zone, not somewhere in the between they will take retracement. Even if they take again, they will pull back to the demand zone only. So in Ethereum, we have an opportunity. We have opportunity of what? We have opportunity of almost 3.4, 3.5% of market we can capture over here. 3.5% is a very good amount of percent which we can capture in the market. Now, shall we do an early entry? Now, this is a little buying spur which came, very less buying spur came in the market of the Ethereum. Shall we do the early entering like the same people, these people did? Like they know like a buying, it's fair value guys has been tapped from there, the market will go up. So they are doing buy over here. But as we can clearly see that there is no other limit order which is yet to be executed. Maybe it is here, maybe it is here, maybe it is here. We don't know about it. Now, shall I enter in the sell side from this direction? Because I know the small candle represents what? Small candle represents very less trading. Less trading means what? A very high chances of reversal. Like maybe continuing, like little buy, reversal of buy is what? Sell. Shall I enter in the early market? No. That's what a lot of beginner trader makes a mistake, that they early enter in the market and they have a loss, and they get trapped in the liquidity. So until and unless I get a complete confirmation. Now how to take confirmations, how to take confirmations of the market, like whether a sell side direction is going to come, whether the buy side direction is going to come, how to enter and every of those steps. Okay, whenever you see such kind of market like fall down, a one green candle and another one is, it's like a very indecent candle. Again, no body at all, no decision has been made, either to go for buy, either to go for sell. Now in that situation, I want this one very specific thing, either this candle or whatsoever next candle should close actually above this level, above the highest point, it should close. I don't want the upper wing. I want the close. I want the market to close above this level for the uptrend, for the buying signal, or the next signal will be it should close beyond this opening. If it opens, this is the opening of the candle. If it closes below for the sell candle, that is a red candle, if it closes red candle below that level, close, okay, then that will give me signal that I should go for a red side, I should go for a sell side. But will I enter in that candle itself? No, that is a signal candle. Now, which is an entry candle after a signal candle, will make sure the same thing, that it should close beyond that level, below that level. And if it goes, and that's our entry candle to enter for the market. Never enter in just one candle. If you see one candle, another candle is zero, I'll, yes, okay, fine, I know the buying momentum is not coming yet, so I'll go for sell. No, that's not how you do. That's not how you do the market. That's not how you trade in the market. One hour fair value gap. And always check. See, always check for the fair value gaps in different time frames. In different time frames, as in 4 hour fair value gap might be different. And that sometimes those fair value gap also has like rejections from the market. Sometimes you will feel like in 1 hour there is no fair value gaps. Yet from that exact moment, the market will have rejection. Two hour is also very big. When the scope of 1 hour only. गौरव इंग्ले in the YouTube comment sections is late. कौन कहता है पावर ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर सकते, देखते रहे, ट्रेडिंग कर रहा है, पवार पवार पवार. Let it close below this level. Okay, below this level, this candle should close, or any of those candles. It's not just like this candle itself. Even if the next candle closes below this level, it gives us a confirmation that maybe the trend is going to start as a downtrend now, which it was. It's just a minor pullback we are seeing in the market right now because of the Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin has hit its demand zone. The small one, not the big one. This is the big demand zone over here. We still have an opportunity to capture this momentum, which is almost 1.13, 1.13. Hello, Riaz. Welcome to the live stream of the Zbit platform. I'm waiting for my entry points because soon an entry is gonna come into the market. I'm waiting for that one entry point, and we are gonna enter for the downside, like most of the situation will is triggering to think like it is going to enter in the downside only. Okay, so we are going to do sell, future sell. I do future trading, not spot trading. Okay, make sure to understand this thing, future trading. Hi, hello Riaz, welcome on the live stream. Tell about BNB. Let's go for BNB. BNB perpetual contract quoted in USD perpetual contract price. This is BNB's futures. Yeah, yeah. This is, see, BNB perpetual future contract. I'm doing the perpetual future contract only. You can clearly see perpetual future. Okay, same. And this is from Binance itself. Binance chart, BNB perpetual contract, future contract. Okay, what do we see? Let's go at day time frame. I'll give you complete analysis of all the BNB, what happened from the starting till the end point. Okay, in a day time frame there is no absolute demand zone, so I will quit the day time frame. I'll go on the 4 hours. Yeah, in the 4 hours we have our demand zone over here. This is the demand zone of the market. This is demand zone. Demand zone is basically if the next time the market will fall, see, from the supply zone market always falls down and travels to where? Travels to the demand zone. From that demand zone again another buying spur can come in the market. Again from the demand zone price can go up, same which happens in, like, I will tell you how I'm telling you. Okay, if I go in a day time frame in Bitcoin, this is the day time frame. Can you see, like, this is a demand zone over here. Can you see? First time market went from demand zone, again came to the same point, again had a up movement, and recently also came from the same exact demand zone over here and had a very good up movement. Now the same situation, BNB perpetual contract, perpetual contract future. Now the same situation is happening in 4 hour time frame of the BNB chart. See, this is our 4 hour demand zone. Market will, right now we are, why we are having a very little pushback, a little up movement in the market. Everybody is having it, a normal bias. Whenever the up movement happens, it always causes by what? Fair value gaps. Fair value gap is this. If you don't understand fair value gap, you can simply go on the indicator over here and tap fair value gap. Lux algo is completely free. Okay, this is free indicator. And if I delete this and this, you can see it's a green thing. Green represents that market is in a buy position. Okay, this is a buy side fair value gap, and you can clearly see this is a right side fair value gap. Okay, now in this situation, let's go on 1 hour. We are at the 1 hour demand fair value gap over here. That's why we are having a very small rejection in the market. If you want to enter in the downside, because see, this up movement will travel till where? Obviously it will try to go and collect this fair value gap, which is upside. Okay, can you see a small fair value gap for the right side? That is sell side. Market will travel to that movement, and from there it will start falling again. So if you want to go for a small, now buy position, yes, if you want to go for a very small buying, not a big target, I'm not giving you a big target. Okay, you can have a very small buy target over here, enter at a little this price, and your target can be the fair value gaps starting point. This is the starting point of fair value gap, which is basically 1 to 1.46. This is the starting of the fair value gap. Okay, so you can go for the buy situation because fair value gap is very close. It's not that far, it's very close. You can achieve this small buying profit from here, small buying profit. Definitely it is going to touch that, and from there it is going to fall down again. And once it starts fall down, we have the ultimate demand zone over here, which it can fall down to. It can fall down to the demand zone of the market, like every market falls to. Okay, This is supply zone of the market. Supply zone will be in the red color. So whenever a market starts falling from the supply zone, its end goal destination is always the demand zone. Always the demand zone. In between, it may can travel a little, go up and then again, then up, then again, but eventually it will come down to the demand zone. So if it gives a little retracement, grab that opportunity to trade in that retracement for sell side and then go for this target like demand zone. Right now, if you want to go for a small buy situation, then I suggest if you want to enter right now at the moment, you can just simply go for as a buy situation over here and make your take profit at the start of this fair value gap. Okay. If you cannot see that part, I will make sure that I will marking that zone. This is the fair value gap which we can see. You can completely achieve this small target very easily for buy side. And from this point, once you complete your target, wait. After what? Why do we have to wait? We have to wait for a retracement. From here, definitely again market will start to have a downfall. Somewhere from here, or somewhere from here, we can have a downfall, and that's the downfall where we'll go for what? Sell, and our target will be the demand zone. Got it? Or safe target can be this line. Obviously, definitely this line will be crossed. So if you want to go for, see, already we are starting to have a profit over here. If you want to go for a buy situation, a very small buy situation, BNB, go for the target price at 1 to 1.28. That's your target. Hit that target and go out in the market. Have a small amount of profit right now. Current buying momentum, I'm telling you. Current. Go for buy. You can see already from my entry, I've already like $3 plus. Target is $11. That's all. Easy achieve. Okay, thanks. You're welcome, Riaz. I will make it as a in a watch list. Compare BNB perpetual binary plan. I added in a watch list so that I can keep and watch on it for you, Riaz. Just because the BTC is BTC hit the demand zone and from there buying is coming, BTC affects all the thing in the chains because BTC is having a small buying, Ethereum is having a small buying, Solana is having a small buying. Yeah, see, you can clearly see small buy in Solana as well, small buy in XRP as well. This is XRP. Everybody is having a small, very small retracement, and that is completely fine. Retracement doesn't hurt. Retracement is fine. We will enter in the XRP. When will we enter? We will enter when it will go to the fair value gap, and from there it will start traveling down. This will be my target when it goes till that point. If you want, shall I do it? No, I won't do it. Solana. In Solana, we can observe a start of a head and shoulder pattern. You can see this is shoulder, head, another head might be there, and from there this becomes our what, neckline. From this neckline we can go for a sell side till the demand zone. You all people know how head and shoulder pattern looks like. Head and shoulder pattern images. See, this is what head and shoulder pattern looks like. Okay, shoulder, head, shoulder. From the neckline, always a breakout comes, and that's the point where we are going to enter in the market. Okay, dot USDT, dot USDT. I'll check dot USDT as well. Future contract, right? So in Solana, we can see an head and shoulder pattern about to form. It didn't form, but it is about to form. The left right shoulder, yeah, right shoulder will form soon, and from the neckline will enter for the sell side, and we can achieve this demand zone target very easily. Almost how much target is it? Almost 5.39% of fall in the Solana we can achieve, but it will take time. It will obviously go to the fair value gap, start to fall down. From the neckline we enter. Got it? I will make the neckline over here. This is that neckline. Expected momentum is that expected fall 5.39. Okay, dot USDT, dot dot USDT. This is spot. I don't want spot. Actual contract. P contract by buying. Dot doesn't have Spotify. OKYX or Bybit? OKYX or Bybit? Which should I first? Perpetual. Is the demand zone. Supply chain started from what is this? Can I go in daytime frame to observe 1 minute? Huh? Let me have a clear indication of the market. What happened in the market? Daytime frame, I cannot find of that thing. 4 hour, 4 hour. This one. Okay. So in the dot Riaz, in the dot USDT perpetual contract, the future contract we are having, what we can do is, see, right now we are at this fair value gap for the sell side. This is sell side fair value gap. Entering buy situation over here might be risky because you don't know if there is a limit order over here. From there, a pushback of the market can start. Already the whole activity, if you can clearly see, the whole activeness of seller is there. Sellers are active over here. In every downtrend, whenever you see, there might be a little retracement. This retracement is only there for re-entry in the market like this. So this is not a position for you to enter in the market for buy side right now, because we are having a good fair value gap over here. Okay, now this fair value gap may trap the market, trap you in going for, if you go for buy, maybe from here, maybe from somewhere, another downside travel will start very soon. So when this down travel starts soon, and this is the point you can enter and you can go for the demand zone sell. 3.33% of the market you can capture in the dot USDT. Okay, in demand zone you have to go for the demand zone. Right now a small retracement came. Why the retracement? Can you see a green fair value gap over here? This is a fair value gap. Let me just delete the demand zone so that you can see. Can you see this green thing? Green thing is called, do you know what is fair value gap? because I'm just saying fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap. Do you know, understand what is FEG, fair value gap? So if you don't know, I can explain you fair value gap and I can give you reasons why market has a push up from the fair value gap. We had a little push up, you can clearly see is exactly from the fair value gap over here. You can use this indicator, fair value gap indicator, Lux algo. I don't use it because you can clearly spot the difference. Like fair value gap is basically, yes, good. Fair value gap is basically the like gap between three candles, so you can spot it very easy. Right now, you can clearly see that the market has taken a dip in the fair value gap, and from there the market started going up. This can be a small retracement. Fair value gap doesn't mean now a buying momentum will come and it will go again to the top. No. Fair value gap always has just a small buying spur. This is why a small retracement. And we are already also in the red fair value gap. That is for sell side. This is the, can you see the gap over here? Yeah, this is the gap for the red. Now, if I am already, if my market is already inside, this is, can you see, I am inside the red fair value gap, I will not enter. If my market was somewhere over here, like I said to you in that what was that kind, BNB, in that BNB market was somewhere over here, and small distance of red fair value gap was left. Same like this, it will, same like BNB, same like dot USDT, this will go to the red fair value gap. That's why I said in BNB, go for little buy till where? Till the fair value gap of the red side. Now, in that we are already inside the gap. So we never enter in the buy position inside the gap. Always wait, because maybe it can go wrong and you may have loss. So always have a safe trade. If it's in a gap, leave it. Once the market will start falling down, that's the point we will enter and we will capture what? This sell direction. Till the demand zone, it will go for definitely for sure. 3.3, 3.4, 3.5% of the market we can achieve for sell side. This is a sell trade I'm giving you. Right now it is going up. Right now it will have a retracement. Let it have a retracement. After that retracement, we will start entering for the sell side. Until where the retracement can come. Okay, let's talk about that. This is that point. This is the demand zone. Okay, let's look at this. Possible retracement can come from the 0.5 level. You can clearly see that 0.5 level. Possibly market will go over here. Possibly it's a maybe situation. Okay, it will go till here 0.5. From the 0.5, we can have a rejection of the market to the demand zone. Possible, because these are the golden ratios: 0.6, 0.5, 0.3. These are the golden ratios where the retracement happens in the market. Okay. So 0.3 is already crossed. The next target will be 0.5, obviously. Market may tap into 0.5 and start to fall down. So wait for that retracement. Do not go for buy situation. Wait for the sell entry, enter for sell entry, and go till the demand zone. Easy. Got it? It's something like this. See, it was fall, then a little market might go up and then again fall. Same thing I'm expecting over here. Fall, a little market might go up, and this. Now this little going up is just called as retracement. Retracement. Any other coin you want to check? Any other coin you want to check? Rihas. Any other coin possibly you want to check or something? Can you observe this? Rejection was happening. From here, rejection happen, and now market is already outside the fair value gap. That's why going for buy situation over here is always risky. Can you see market already came outside the fair value gap? Sell, 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 sell. Market is falling down, falling down, falling down. You can clearly see right now. See, this is the reason why I said not to go for buy situation. We were here at the time, and now this sell, 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 fall down of the market has started. Rejection from the top because we are in the red side fair value. That's why I had deposit fiat but not received still. When did you did the fiat deposit? Like 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago? It is 1 hour, 2 hour. Can you give me a little timing? Like when did you did it? By what time? Welcome user 556400. Welcome to the live stream of the Zebra platform. If you okay event. So Ria, just tell me when did you enter for like when you did the deposit? 15 minutes ago, 20, right now only, 1 hour ago, 2 hour ago, 3 hour ago. When was the deposit? 2 hours ago. Okay, 2 hours is a big time. Can you give me your UID? This is the UID. Can you give me your in here? You can find your unique UID over here. Can you provide me your UID and also provide me the amount? What amount you deposited? Okay. 2 hours. Got it, got it. I got it. So just give me your UID and what was the amount which you deposited. Give me two these things. I will forward it to the my next team, and then they will work on to make the process more faster for you. Okay. Just share me your UID and the amount which you wanted to, which amount you have deposited. Yes, got it, got it. Just share me the UID, this UID, and the amount. What amount you are depositing. This is the UID. You can find it on the Zbit logo over here. This is UID. Give me that UID and the amount which you have deposited. And Riaz, what is an amount? What amount? This is UID. Okay. What is an amount? Deposit amount. Riaz, please tell me the deposit amount. Deposit amount. How much did you deposit it? 4 USD. Okay. Two hours. Yeah. See. I have raised your query over there. Just give me just 5 minutes. We will provide you. I will provide you one response. The customer service people have already given a thumbs up. So they are checking it. Just give 4 to 5 minutes. We'll provide you response as fast as possible. I am on trial on this exchange now. Sure, bro, sure. You will love it. That's my word. You will love this platform. You will love the way it is so simple and every of the stuffs. Okay. So once I get good, I will deposit 200 USD. Congrats. I hope you will deposit it. You have to, you will do it. I know for sure. Any other coin you want to check, Riaz? Any other coin till the point the response comes? They are checking into. They're already checking into your matter. They will give a response quick, but till that time, if you want to see any other coin, you want to know for another coin, what may can happen, what may not happen, blah blah scenarios. I am trading on MEXC2. You will soon leave that point. You will soon leave because when you will see Zbit is good, you will leave that. Ray USDT. Let's check Ray USDT. Ray USDT. Future, right? Future of Ray USDT, right? Perpetual contract, future. Access premium index. Finance, don't have it, don't have it. Ray USDT. Let's go by OKX. This is the demand zone of the ray, which has already been taken, and from there we are seeing push, a market push. We can already see in the market from that point. Okay, yeah. From this point in the ray USD, it's not here. It's not here means what do you mean by it's not here? The ray is not in Zbit. You are talking about that. Right, 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 right. I get it, it's totally fine. I'm watching the trading view platform. Okay, trading view is the one I use for watching every of those market charts. Okay, so it's fine, it's totally fine. Now we can clearly see that a Ray USDT has like, see, this is the first demand zone. There is a response rate. One zero one five four seven four eight. Rihaz, our team is trying to contact you, and they are saying that you are not responding. So please, if you are receiving any calls, any messages, please respond to those because those are our customer service people, and they will help you with the withdrawal process to make it faster, to make it happen quickly as possible. So they are trying to contact you, maybe via phone, maybe via text. I don't know what they like, in what way they're contacting you. So please, if you're receiving any calls or if you're receiving any unknown number call, those are from the customer service people. Okay, so then they are trying to call you. So if okay, okay, good. Yeah. Okay. See, in Ethereum, it has started to cross down that point, yet not closed, but started to go down that point. 6 minutes left to close that candle. After closing that candle, obviously the candle will have a little buy movement, and that's the point we are going to enter in the market. Okay, for the downside, and our target will be the demand zone. We will get a more better entry point, because after this candle closes, from that, as we know, upper wick and lower wick is formed. At the upper wick, when the market has to go the highest point, that's the place where we will enter for the sell side, and we'll keep a target at the demand zone level, which is basically 3836.89. That's the level which we'll aim for our sell target. Okay. 3 minutes left for this candle to close. Welcome user 246698 on the live stream of the Zibit platform. I'm waiting for my entry at the Ethereum. There is one entry which we can do a good sell position. We can take almost 3.5, 3.3% of the market we can capture. User 711275. Welcome on the live stream. So this candle has closed above, not below that level. So we have to wait for the next candle to close below that level, because until unless this candle doesn't close beyond below that level, we won't be knowing if the buying spur is ending, sellers are getting active. We don't know. It is just 10 seconds left. This candle will close above that level for very, very short. 7. We'll observe the next candle. If it's closing down, if it closes down, then we can go for the sell. I will come back in 15 minutes. A strong sell side direction has started, but let's not enter at right now moment. I want to enter at little higher price. Okay, because there is no upper wick yet formed, and we have still 42 minutes left for that candle to close. So we'll get more better opportunity to enter in the market. So we'll wait for that moment. Drop, 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 drop. Huge drop. Huge drop. See, a good exactly from the line I marked from that exact point, a very good sell side direction has started. But let's have patience to enter in the market. See again, a little bottom rejection came. That's why I'm saying that let's wait. We will enter at a very good price. More down. That's good. We can have this as a target. Good buying, good sell opportunity in BTC. It can tap to the demand zone, the original one. Pay attention. Welcome, user. Oh, same welcome. $92 achieved. Three, 399, 280, 5. 'Welcome user 19112 to the live stream of the Sync platform. 400, 345, 450, a more. Let's go. 509, 510. 50% profit has been achieved, rest 50% will achieve soon. Very important. Ethereum will, I lost an entry of Ethereum. I don't want to enter at some this point. It's fine. Bitcoin we got. Ethereum entry is lost. $580, $596, almost 600, 60% profit, 40% left. $477. We are starting to have some small rejection, but won't matter. I need rejection in Ethereum to see. We should see rejection here. Welcome, Riaz, again on the live stream of Cbit. I have entered for Bitcoin, putting my take profit over here. Looking for entry in Ethereum as well, as we are having a rejection from bottom. Let's see if we don't end up in getting trapped. I received my amount I bought yesterday. Bought? You went for buy in BTC? It will travel to the demand zone for downside. Sure. User 286620, welcome. User 448852, welcome on the live stream of CBET. BTC has given us an downside entry. I've entered for the sell side, take profit. Obviously, it looks like it's traveling to the demand zone. Okay, back to its original place over here. That's why given the take profit as 109699.9. It is point 0.9 also. It is okay. That's where market is trying to travel back again. First, it had a little very small halt. Okay, this was a very small halt on the previous demand zone. From there, it started falling again, and definitely it will travel back to its original demand zone. This was a day demand zone. Okay, so let's see. Welcome, user 156339 on the Zbit platform. I've given you the BTC sell trade. Take profit is 109699.9. Ethereum also I want to enter, but let's have some more rejection. I want to enter somewhere from this point. Somewhere from this, no, so not that, it's too far. Somewhere from this level I want to enter in Ethereum. Let's have some more buyer rejection from the bottom till here or somewhere here, and that's the point where I want to enter for the sell side. Till that point, I'll focus on Bitcoin. 369. Let's make alert in here and in here. I'll make two alerts. I've created two alerts so that whenever the market taps into that situation, he will notify me. Let's focus on BTC now. Two 58, a bottom rejection. Will it continue? Will it won't continue? In 9 minutes, the candle is closing. It came till 600, and from there it is having a bottom rejection. Why is this bottom rejection happening? Anything? Thing? It's a small one, not a very big one. Huge rejection. If it goes beyond this, then we will, like, I'm thinking of like closing this trade with a little profit and then re-entering from the top if this having a that massive rejection. 66, at least 100. I'm thinking of closing at least 100. 70, 91, 96. Keep the trade, keep the trade, keep the trade, keep the trade. Is Ethereum having the same issues? Nope, it's just Bitcoin. It's first sell only. That's not changed over here. So I'll keep my trade open. E minus 33. Very good buying suggestion has started to happen. Candle will close in 2.2 minutes. The candle will close. Welcome user 627957. Welcome on the live stream. 46 again. 58. 58. Close more below because the candle will make an upper wick. Next candle started. Mhm. The back end has stopped again. Welcome user 563163. Welcome on the live stream. Came till here. It came till here. 600. It was dollar. That's 400 left. It's a huge rejection. Welcome, user 468015. Welcome to the live stream. Haven't touched the demands on then why rejection? Welcome, user 179832. Trying to find a movement in the market. This became tried to enter, but I don't understand why there was sudden rejection from the market. I'm not even making any lower wick. A great opportunity to enter from the higher price, but still at the same point, a very great rejection from the market. It came till here, almost 600 USD was plus, and then complete back. Welcome, Karthik, on the live stream of Cbit. Unexpected rejection. Unexpected. Very unexpected. Is it happening same everywhere, even in the XRP? XRP touched my target. XRP completed my target. The fair value gap was the XRP completed my target. Then it went up. Solana. Solana. So I was trying to make an head and shoulder pattern. We can achieve this target soon from the neckline for the downside direction. Till now it has just made shoulder and head. Another shoulder should meet. Mhm. Welcome user 765605 live stream. Hi. मुझे फ्री में अर्निंग करनी है Zbit में अगर तुम पहला फर्स्ट फ्री ट्रेड लेते हो मतलब लाइक अगर आप न्यू यूजर हो तो ही ओके हर न्यू यूजर के लिए एक पहली फ्यूचर की फ्री ट्रेड अवेलेबल है 10 USDT के बोनस से आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो फ्यूचर में सिर्फ न्यू यूजर के लिए अगर आप ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर हो तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा जो भी नए नए यूजर आते हैं उनके लिए एक लिमिटेड टाइम का स्लॉट किया है 10 USDT का बोनस फ्यूचर में पहली फ्री ट्रेड वो आप यूज कर सकते हो फ्री में अर्निंग के लिए क्योंकि जो भी प्रॉफिट होगा वो आप अपने वॉलेट में रख सकते हो लॉस हम बेयर करेंगे Welcome user 537929 on the live stream platform. A very unexpected sudden rejection of the market has happened. Unexpected. There was no reason for that rejection. Welcome user 196037 on the Zibit platform. If you haven't done any deposit till now, please make sure that you're clicking on the deposit section and deposit. I gave a sell trade, but then the sell trade went against after unexpected buying, unexpected buying. Welcome users 638,930. All the people, welcome on the live stream. I'm not liking this rejection candle. I'm hating that rejection candle. Such a good profit I was getting with that. There, there, till here, it just the most smallest, it just 0.3, 0.3 more it had to. That's it, 0.3 more. But rejection. Still rising. I'm finding the position like where should I start again the sell? Because I don't feel like this is like a buying situation we'll enter in the market where there is a huge buy situation. Welcome, Riyadh. Riyadh, your buying thing has triggered me. I entered in here, got up till here, just 0.0.3% market needed to fall down a little, just 0.3 to achieve my target. But then again, unexpected buying came. Unexpected buying. Just 0.3 was left. 10280 से BTC बाई किया. 102. वन वन फोर जीरो जीरो सेल किया. 11400. यहाँ से सेल किया ना. अभी वो इतना बड़ा रिजेक्शन आ गया है ना, एकदम मतलब इतना ह्यूज रिजेक्शन कि मेरे को भी एकदम मतलब डिपेंड. लोड फास्ट. यहाँ से सेल किया है ना. ओके. 11400 से सेल किया है मार्केट. बट इट जस्ट लाइक अभी इतना बड़ा रिजेक्शन आ गया है मार्केट में, मतलब कि इतना रिजेक्शन उसके बाद ये जो दूसरी कैंडल है उसने अपना लोअर विक तक नहीं बनाया, मतलब कोई सेल था ही नहीं मार्केट में. फिर यहाँ से सीधा मार्केट उठाए. अब ये कहाँ तक जाएगा, ये यहाँ तक जाएगा या उसके भी ऊपर जाएगा, इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. इसलिए मैं भी एकदम सेल साइड के लिए एंटर होने के लिए मैं नहीं देख रहा हूँ. क्योंकि ये वही मूवमेंट्स होते हैं जहाँ लिक्विड ट्रैप बहुत आसानी से हो जाता है. कि पहले सेल किया, उसमें रिजेक्शन हुआ, तो मैं बाय के लिए घुसा, फिर वो बाय का रिजेक्शन भी आ जाएगा. ये ऐसे बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स होते हैं मार्केट में जहाँ पे ट्रैप हो जाते हैं. इसलिए मैं वेट करना चाहता हूँ कि अगर अगर होना ही है तो अच्छे से एंट्री करेंगे. SXP USD बताओ. इसका परपेचुअल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. सेम ही तो मूवमेंट है सारे, ये उसका, ये डिमांड जोन है इसका, ये है डिमांड जोन जहां से मार्केट ने पूरा जंप लिया एक अच्छा। अब जब भी सप्लाई से गिरता है मार्केट डिमांड जोन के पास ही जाके रुकता है, पर यहाँ बीच में ही एक नया छोटा सा हॉल्ट ले लिया है इसने। और ये सारे इसमें देखने मिल रहा है, बीटीसी में भी, इथेरियम में भी, सोलाना में भी, एक्सआरपी में भी, हर इसमें डिमांड जोन के पहले एक हल्का सा एक हॉल्ट आ गया। अभी हॉल्ट एक रिट्रेसमेंट हो सकता है जहां से हम अच्छा खासा बड़ा, मतलब हायर प्राइस पे एंट्री ले सेल साइड के लिए, या फिर ये यहाँ से हायर हाई हायर लो हायर हाई हायर लो बना के अपट्रेंड बना के चालू कर देगा। अब ये तभी समझेगा जब ये एक थोड़ा मोमेंट में वेट करेगी, क्योंकि ट्रैवल तो इन्हें डिमांड जोन पे करना ही है। अगर ये ऊपर जाता है तो हमें एक और मौका मिल जाता है कि हायर प्राइस लेवल से हम एंट्री ले सकते हैं। यूजर 719713926 हाई। हेलो। रिजेक्शन के टाइम पे एंट्री ना ही लो तो सबसे बेस्ट होता है, क्योंकि रिजेक्शन कहाँ तक कैरी करेगा, कहाँ से फॉल करना चालू हो जाएगा, ये नहीं बता सकते। सेम हर जगह हो रहा है, कोई भी किसी ने भी अभी तक डिमांड जोन को टच नहीं किया है। ना इसने, ना ही इसने, सारे डिमांड जोन के जस्ट थोड़ा 0.5 0.4% मार्केट के पहले ही गायब हो गए, ऊपर चले गए, रिजेक्शन आ गया, कैसे पता नहीं। आपका सेशन डेली अवेलेबल होता है क्या सर? डेली नहीं, मेरा होता है फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे। ये 5 दिन में लाइव रहता हूँ, 4 टू, मतलब 12 से 4 दुबई का टाइमिंग है। अगर इंडिया से देख रहे हो तो इंडिया का टाइमिंग हो जाएगा 1:30 से लेके 5:30, फ्राइडे टू ट्यूसडे डेली। ओके। बट बट आज मेरा आखिरी दिन है। मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पे अभी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आई विल कम बैक, मैं सीधा भी 1 नवंबर को आऊँगा। अभी आज मेरा लास्ट डे है, मैं सीधा अभी 1 नवंबर को आऊँगा। मैं जा रहा हूँ छुट्टियों पे, दिवाली, घर पे, तो ये मेरा आज लास्ट स्ट्रीमिंग है। इसके बाद में सीधा 1 नवंबर के बाद आऊँगा, 1 नवंबर को मेरा लाइव आ जाएगा। बट उसके पहले नहीं, क्योंकि अभी मेरी छुट्टी चालू है। अभी मेरी कल से छुट्टी हो जाएगी। टुडे इज द लास्ट सेशन। वैसे अगर नॉर्मली जनरली देखा जाए तो मैं आता हूँ फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे। वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे मेरा ऑफ होता है। थैंक यू सो मच। हैप्पी दिवाली टू यू एज वेल रियाज। हैप्पी दिवाली टू यू। थैंक यू सो मच। पर ये रिजेक्शन मुझे भाया नहीं यार, मतलब अचानक से, एकदम से, कुछ भी रिजेक्शन, मतलब okay, this is my time to leave this live stream. Okay, thank you so much for all the people who joined this live stream or being a part. I'm not going to be here for next 17 days. I will come back on the 1st of November. Bye all of you people. Happy Diwali.